Right, let's head for the sky. Let's go up to about 400. There, look, there's you. This is what I'm seeing. Look at the phone here. This is what the drone is seeing.
Oh shit!
Okay, this is what the drone is
That's
seeing.
ever so.
No, that was what Tilly was looking for.
So I can bring the camera down. Okay, now you can see how stable that is.
It is, isn't it?
Even up there. High wind velocity. No. Right, okay, let's head on out over the park, shall we?
So you don't have to look at it.
Right, let's just have a look around while we're up there. So let's turn the camera up. Let's see what we can see.
There's a sports club.
There you go. We could probably actually fly out over there if we wanted to. Let's just do a circuit of the area. The red on things just means it's in focus. It's just an aid to focus. It shows that anything that has got a red edge shows me that it's going to be really nice and sharp. Lots of houses.
Funny that. Oh, that's Pally Way, isn't it? It's an industrial thingy over there.
Right over there.
Yeah.
Could well
There's
be.
Croydon.
I'm going to slow down the rotate a bit. It's going a bit jerkily.
Aren't they good?
And this is shooting 4K video as well, ultra high definition.
Bloody hell. Is that where we are?
That's don't know. She'll know. She knows where we are. Even if we don't. There it is. That's us, isn't it? I think.
No.
No?
Oh,
Yes, it
no.
is. Yes, it is. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Hang on, where's it gone?
Over there.
It's over the woods over there.
Oh, crikey.
It's up there. Right, let's bring it down a bit. Right, look in front of the ones.
Oh,
Won't
look.
bring it too close, obviously because of the trees. But we'll just take the camera. That's the front. Move it around a little bit. Yeah, straight on.
Actually, you can have a look at that gully in the middle of the road. It's all boned up.
We can have a look as we pass over. Let's turn the camera right down. Right, okay. Now then, I'll show you a little bit of magic.
Go home. Landing.
Fantastic. Those were around when you were up.
Oh, I know. Oh, yes.